It would be great if they added guides. Replicate ito diba as kita tanong diba City Blackout everyday.
Bitaw pod.
Wala sa?
Walay tulog, walay kaon, marinda.
And more than 30 minutes.
Say hi, kids.
Hi! We're going to Ice Cave.
Magluyagid ka sa Italy, ha?
Magunsa ka?
Magluyagid ka. It's gonna be 1 hour walk, okay?
It's okay. Just watch where you're going.
Here, hold this for me, please. Oh, can I hold it?
Ay, nakaadto naman ka, cave.
Layo igab.
Ay, daddy, please. Kasi sa Shibuya, get di ay daddy, more than 30 minutes na naglakaw-lakaw.
Lagi, di kayo kayo ko kalibangon ko.
Sayang na kay kwarta.
Mag-wait na namin nga to. Mag-wait ko nga to.
Ikaw, sad.
Asa?
Di ka mo ko'y gatugnaw mo diha.
Kaya na, our puffer jackets will save us.
Kuyog mo, daddy. Mag-coffee na lang mo dito. Hot coffee. I-off. So we're the only ones who continued. And I'm not even sure if we're really gonna make it to the 20-minute walk. It's a real forest out here with no guides. Just me and my son and the birds. And God knows what.
And also, don't go stop the video. After you said that, before you said God knows what, also snakes, spiders, and bears.
And am I supposed to be happy about that?
Yeah, but since we're in a real forest, we're protected by nature.
Protected. Nature is cruel, Gab. Nature is...
Did you know, Mami, there's actually 9 types of intelligence?
Okay. Enumerate.
Linguistic, which is word smart. And there's nature smart, body smart,
So where are we now?
logical mathematical, which is chess or anything related to mathematics, smart.
Okay.
And astrology smart. Was smart.
Dude. Where are we going?
Actually, Mommy,
What?
my stomach. Oh, ooh, I got pee so bad. But actually, look. My mom, di ba, Mommy, we're the only ones here, right?
Yeah. Just ka basig na yung mga...
Ma, we're in Japan. We're not in the Philippines.
Just don't pee. Because
Ma.
it's just too weird.
There's 2 choices, Ma. Do you have to pee or pee in my pants?
Can we just go back? It's so eerie.
Is that eerie?
It is. I mean,
Ma,
there's no
trust
one
God,
here
Ma.
anymore.
Trust God. God knows the way. He's the truth. Kings of all kings. The creator of all creators. And the God of all gods. It's so fun there.
Let's
But
go.
let's leave the snakes, frogs, and spiders alone.
Oh, lagi. Naog na. Ay, pagpakurat-kurat din ha.
It's there.
I want to go back.
Actually, Ma, we don't have to. God is still here. Ma, you know why is there's a reason, Mommy, why ghosts, demons, or
Why are
Walk,
we
walk.
talking? Let's not talk about that, okay?
Ma,
In the middle of the forest. Okay, tanaw. So, quick update. We did not push through because why, Gab?
It's because of you. You were too scared, and you had no choice but to go back.
Because I am responsible. I am a responsible parent who has a 12-year-old, 11-year-old, rather, in a foreign country, deep in the forest, at 4 p.m. with no guides, no signs, and yes, I am being responsible. I am a responsible parent, and I am not gonna argue with you on that. Thank you very much.
I love badminton so much.
Ato sa Sibitina, Gab.
Come on. Go, go, go.
Magubo ra ba sa
Mana? Gutom na kayo. Dali.
Are you sure, Mommy, this is the one?
Kana hiwa-hiwaan lang.
Okay.
Come on, come. Ate, rice, big rice.
Mau na dyan akong kuhan. Bought for beer.
Ayun nga naka-
Say hi, Gab. Gab.
Oh, not salt bay.
Say hi sa...
Hi.
Tanaw diri. Bitina, what are you eating?
Chicken nuggets.
Nuggets yung mata.
Did you wash your hands?
No.
No.
I already used it.
No. Isa to. Dispose. First taste of the A5 Wagyu steak. It's soft. and it's juicy. Happy anniversary. Kiss, 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 kiss.
You want to eat more?
Say hi to the camera today.
Mm-hmm.
Say hi to the camera.
Hello.
Me.
Happy anniversary.
Bitina.
Yep. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. Kiss, 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 kiss.
Masa may na-realize ni mo 12 years.
That I'm stuck with you.
Kanya,
Hindi alam mag-travel.
See you avoid. Nawala.